There go Mother and Tiny in Major's rocket. Now they're on their way to find the Iron Chicken's nest. Yes, and the Iron Chicken too. Very good. Tiny is telling the Sky Moo to moo louder. Yes, follow the rocket to find the nest. The Iron Chicken tells the Wols that supper won't be long. She's just got to get her nest back first. Oh, Major has got his telescope out. Yes, Major can see the nest. Well, I never. That poor Sky Moo has snagged its tail on the nest. It must have pulled it out into space when it couldn't get free. Here come Major and Small to the rescue. One radio switched off. One Sky Moo free. And very happy it is too. Just like the Iron Chicken. Oh, I see. They're hiding so they don't scare the little plant. Oh, look, it's come back up again. Oh dear, the noisy soup dragon has scared it back into its pot. Yes, the soup dragon needs to be quiet and come away. They have a very shy visitor. Oh no, it's gone again. Mother says that little plant is even shyer than Tiny's flower friends. Tiny thinks that perhaps her gentle flower friends could help the little plant come up and stay up. Well, it's worth a go. Of course, Tiny's flower friends are happy to help. The flower is telling the little plant that this is the Clangers planet, where everyone is nice and kind. What's that? A great big block in the sky. Something's happening. Uh-oh, the froglet's not hanging around. Oh, is it going to land? Maybe Tiny and Small should get out of the way until they see what happens. It's another block, a smaller block, and this one has landed. Goodness me, this isn't any old block. It's like a robot block. Oh, robo-block? Didn't think much of that. Yes, Tiny, it's very strange. I wonder what it's doing here. It seems to like that bit of Clanger planet. Oh no! The smell is coming from Mother's garden down below. A rather bad smell at that. Now, what's Major up to? Ah, an old bucket with a leaky hole. That ought to do the trick. Major is wondering what Tiny and Small are up to. Only one way to find out. Here come Tiny and Small on the trail of that peculiar smell. Ah, the perfect chance for Mother to show off her new flower. Oh my, it's Mother's new flower. That's what smells so bad. Mother can smell it too now. The flower was so pretty she hadn't noticed. Oh dear, Mother is sad that no one likes her flower. Ah, soup is ready. How strange. Maybe Major's not hungry. Oh dear, Major forgot to make a down button. He's stuck bobbing around the ceiling. He's very hungry indeed and desperately wants to come down to eat. Oh, Small has an idea. What's Small up to? Any colour will do, Tiny. Ah, she's chosen yellow. Lovely. Granny thinks it might be cold up there. Yes, Small is indeed very clever. Dinner is served. Major loves his soup and scarf, but he really wishes he was eating with everyone else. Ah, the Iron Chicken has spotted the thing she found sticking out of another thing. She wants to know what it does. Major says it's just a silly thing that makes noises. Ooh, that's actually quite pleasant. Not so harsh on the ears. Maybe there's a knack to this. Major is surprised. That sounds rather nice. Everyone else agrees. Tiny's right. The mysterious noise machine could be a musical instrument. Well, who would have thought it? Major, Mother and Granny want to hear some more. Tiny wants to join in. And now the Hoot planet has arrived. Oh, look, Major and Mother Clanger are dancing. Glow buzzers too. Ah, what beautiful music. What is that tin bird up to? She's sitting on the metal lid. That's a funny thing to do. Oh, even Tiny and Small laughing has frightened her off. Yes, it's probably best to leave her be. The soup dragon is telling Major about the tin bird pulling the leaves off the copper trees. Tiny and Small think that perhaps the tin bird wants to make a nest. That's why she was collecting copper leaves and trying to sit on a lid. They want to help her. What would make a nice nest? Smalls had an idea. Oh, a puffball. Yes, perhaps a puffball will make a good nest. But then again, perhaps not. She's even frightened by the puffball, poor thing. Here comes Mother with some fresh clippings for the sky moos. Clippings. Maybe clippings will do. Mother's happy to let Tiny and Small have them. There, a nice comfy nest of clippings. Oh, the sky moo doesn't like the tin bird sitting on her dinner. Baby Soup Dragon's sorry for giving the Iron Chicken such a surprise. She doesn't mind. And anyway, it got her out of that well pretty quickly. Ah, but she is very soupy. Baby Soup Dragon has an idea. Cotton balls. What are they going to do with those? There are the grown-ups, enjoying their trip to the stars. But Mother's worrying about the little ones. The wise Soup Dragon is telling her all will be fine. The Iron Chicken will look after them. Anyway, what could possibly go wrong? Oh, I see. They're using the cotton balls to clean the Iron Chicken. Oh dear, that's just made things even worse. Water, says Tiny. That's what they need. And she knows just where to get it. Ah, the cloud's going to help. A chicken cleaning cloud. Now that's something you don't see every day. Thank you, dear cloud. The iron chicken's as clean and shiny as new.